So I'm only a beginner at this, but I'm getting better, and I pretty much make the same stuff every week. This is Kalmuk tea, which is what I prepare first. It has black tea, green tea, a bay leaf, milk, butter, and nutmeg. And then this is like bakery bread that's gonna go with butter. Obviously I didn't make that. And this is like a simple. It's called the classic salad. So it has tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and dill. I probably didn't do the best job in chopping up the dill better, and it's really healthy when it goes with olive oil, but I add mayonnaise for personal taste preference. It's pretty good and really simple. And then this is how you toss the salad. Someone told me they really enjoy doing this for some reason. I don't really understand why. There's nothing enjoyable about this. And then for the main dish, I put in like onions and peppers. And then I waited a little bit and I put in shiitake mushrooms. And one that shrinks a little bit, I'm gonna add like a week's worth of like spaghetti and salmon that I made, just like a little bit from that. There's a piece of like a beef like cutlet kind of thing, but I'm not gonna add it to this one. So it's cooking nicely. I kind of want to add more, but I'm gonna try not to be a fat ass. And I have some leftover like red wine to add. And this is the final product. I put it like this. And then I'm just gonna squeeze a lemon on top because there's like some salmon in there. Alright, boom. So it's a lot of food, but it's in a 4-hour eating window, and altogether it's like a normal day's worth of calories. And I broke the 20-hour fast with an apple. So the idea is to get 2 servings of fruits, 2 servings of vegetables, and then a bunch of stuff on the Mediterranean food pyramid. And now's the time to enjoy the food and watch a documentary about myself.